Hello and welcome. Today we're showing you how to manage your VMware and Broadcom data centers compliance within Snow Atlas, this platform. So first of all, how do you get your VMware data into the Snow Atlas platform? This is via using the Snow Integration Manager VMware connector or using the Snow Entry agent by installing the agent onto your data center and VMs to be able to collect the hardware and software data to be able to create the linkage for the data center and clusters mapping process that we have as part of the ingestion. To use the Snow Integration Manager, you come to the SAM tab, clicking onto VMware vSphere and clicking add into the connector and filling in your site name if you wish to do so and the relevant details to your VMware center to be able to collect this data and pull in the values regarding that cluster and host to be able to see into the data set and create the mapping as part of the data center and cluster merging process. This can be slightly tweaked as well by coming to Settings, Asset Management, as well as reviewing the data center information. Just as if you have old information, it will not generate the data center, meaning it will not show the linkage. So once you have the data centers and VMs set up via the vSphere connector, it's key to note that each one of your virtual machines will need to have the VMware tools installed to be able to allow for this communication and connection for accurate mapping between the hosts and the virtual machines, which is critical for compliance calculation. Once the data is collected, Snow Atlas consolidates it into the relevant data center clusters, and using this allows you to apply license metrics like processes and core-based rules into the compliance calculation. That will give you an insight into how much it might cost to run these, as well as insight into VMware products, as well as other installed applications, allowing you to license hosts and other such areas of the product, allowing you to avoid compliance risk. It's important to do regular compliance review using the reports section of the Snow Atlas platform via reports such as the compliance report, as we can see here, using such reports like compliance, summary, as well as using other such reports such as data centers, such as the VMware ESX servers, which will give an insight into your ESX servers and details on how they are being collected and pulled in, as such as other key information on how they are being used and core counts for you to get a clear insight into how your compliance, costs, and other values are being used within the platform, as well as if systems have been removed, uninstalled, and no longer updating. By tracking this information using certain analyst dashboards, such as the eventual computers per month and other such factors, such as the data centers and clusters tab, you can use this to make sure you can monitor changes in virtual environments, virtual machines moving between hosts, resources changes, and compliance can be shifted quickly to make sure you are compliant and covered for your compliance checks. By following these steps, you'll maintain a compliance, reduce risk, and keep your VMware estate optimized and in check, as well as being able to maintain your tracking of your environment via your business as you do grow and expand over time. Thank you for watching.